In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download video lectures in Coursera. This is an incredibly useful skill, especially if you're frequently on the go or have limited internet access but still want to keep up with your courses. So, let's get started. First off, you'll need to head over to Coursera.org. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you aren't logged in, you won't be able to access your enrolled courses, so this step is essential. Make sure that your internet connection is stable as you do this to avoid any potential login issues. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here you should see an option labelled My Learning. Click on this option. This will take you to a page that lists all the courses you're currently enrolled in. It's essentially your go-to place for managing your ongoing education with Coursera. Now, scroll through your list of courses and select the one from which you'd like to download a video lecture. Once you've found the right course, click on Get Started to open it up. This will bring up the course interface where you can access all the course materials. Within the course page, navigate to the specific module or section containing the video lecture you wish to download. Once you've found the right video, look around for the Downloads button. Typically, this is located below the video player. Clicking on it will reveal various download options. Here, you'll often have a choice regarding the video resolution you'd like to download. Options typically range from lower resolutions to Full HD, depending on what the course provider has made available. This choice will largely depend on your storage capacity and video playback needs. If you're planning to watch on a mobile device, for instance, a lower resolution might save you some precious storage space. Before you hit the download button, there's usually the option to explore more settings or choices by clicking on the three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking here allows you to confirm your download choice and maybe tweak a few settings if necessary. Finally, once you're happy with your selection, go ahead and click the download button. The video should start downloading onto your device. Browser settings may prompt you to choose a download destination, so keep an eye out for that. Once the download is complete, you'll have the video lecture saved and ready for offline viewing anytime and anywhere you need it. And that's it. Following these straightforward steps, you can easily download video lectures from Coursera and continue your learning journey at your own pace and convenience. Thanks for tuning in and happy learning.